Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: a recent Android build, active internet, and the Google app installed. Once done, grant microphone permission in App Info so the assistant can hear you. Now open Settings, tap Google, then Settings for Google Apps and choose Search, Assistant, and Voice. This path leads you to the core controls. Make sure to stay in the Assistant tab. Next, select General and enable Google Assistant if it's off. Then proceed to Voice Match and Assistant Device Settings. Once in Assistant Settings, tap Voice Match and follow the prompts to train Hey Google. Repeat phrases clearly for accuracy. Then go to Assistant Voice to pick a voice and language. This improves recognition and tone. Make sure personal results and lock screen access are set per your privacy comfort so notifications and commands work when locked. Also set the default digital assistant app to Google. Doing this ensures the assistant responds to long press home or voice button consistently across apps and devices. Finish by testing. Say Hey Google and try commands like What's the weather? If it misses, open Voice Match and retrain or adjust the sensitivity setting where available. Make sure Google app is updated, reboot the phone, and test the microphone in another app to rule out hardware faults. If problems continue, clear Google App Cache or uninstall updates, then reinstall. Finally, reset Voice Match data and repeat the setup. One key tip: microphone permission and app updates are the
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.